Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Rawell.
Hey,
It's
Josh.
so scary.
Yeah, man, I'm so scared.
I'm scared, man. Because today we're doing a spooky food taste test challenge. Rawell, in front of us, we have a collection of spooky food. Yeah, I know, me too. Ready? Watch. Oh!
It's really scary, man.
It is.
I'm scared.
Dude, I'm the scaredest I've ever been in my life. We have a bunch of food here that we're gonna be trying. It's scary, it's spooky. Because this is Halloween after all, the month of the spook. Rawell,
Yeah.
do you have any scary stories before we begin on this spooktacular food journey?
Actually, Josh, when I was a kid, I was small.
Whoa, my goodness,
That's
that is
really
scary.
scary.
That is scary. Oh, boo!
Ooh.
Sorry about that.
It's like
bro.
a delayed reaction, man. How about you, Josh?
Oh.
Do you have any experience before?
Yes, one time I was visited by a ghost.
So that's so
Yeah.
scary. So anyway, enough for this scary story, and let's start the challenge.
Boom! Explosion. Wait, spooky explosion. That was scary. So this is our first one, Rawell. Rawell, this is gonna be swell. This one is zombie fish.
Wow.
Ah!
I'm scared right now, man.
Oh, it bit
Don't
me.
be like that,
It
man.
didn't
Don't
actually.
stop.
It's actually just anchovies, nothing.
Okay,
really.
that show me his test.
Anchovies! Woohoo! Delicious. It smells like my worst nightmare. Let's give it a try. Okay, what should we call our fish?
This name is George.
My one is called phalangelope.
Why? Why?
Just looks like a phalangelope.
Okay, this is a small fish.
I think this is nice.
No, this is good for me, man.
Yeah. If I was a fish, I might be a zombie fish because I would want to eat other fish. Hi. Where did Rawell go? Perhaps to the land of ghosts? Maybe. Or, whoa. Next thing we're going to eat is a
Whoa!
Whoa.
Ow! Oh, I don't think I'm scared right now.
Very scary and very like, so let's oh, it's very slimy. It's like a
No
smells
smell.
of cheese and fish.
Oh, I know. It
It's a
smells
fish.
like a squid, man.
Oh, it's squid?
Oh, I get it now. That's why the shape is like this.
Oh, it's meant to be a squid.
We're just thinking too much, man. Oh, just squeeze it like this.
3, 2, 1, go! I very much like the squid. Not scary at all. Let's see what's the next one that we'll be eating. Whoa! It is wasabi cashew nuts.
Wasabi, I love it, but I hate the taste, especially when it.
In the nose,
Yeah,
and
in
it's
the
like,
It's
yeah,
like, boom. Oh, so cheers.
delicious,
wow, good.
super good.
Wow, I thought this was scary.
No, not
That is
scary.
I love it. This one I can finish it right now.
You stealing it?
Yeah.
I accept that. I'll stick with the fish. Chestnuts and sweet potato. It's more Christmassy, really.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, bro.
Merry Christmas, dude. Yo, I love your Christmas hat.
Yeah, it's a scary one, but it's a Christmas time.
Yeah, super Christmassy. Okay, do your scariest thing?
When I have no more money.
Cheers.
Oh man, it's good.
It's delicious.
It's not a scary episode.
This is not scary at all.
Wait, it's not a scary episode.
It's
You're right.
delicious. Everything's really tasty today. I love it.
Me too.
Hey, now we're getting into the scary territory.
Oh.
Whoa, did you see that? To satisfy the demons within, let's continue on and try this one. This looks terrible. This is what your belly looks like when you eat
But
things.
it's a chicken feet marinated in chili and a little bit, I don't know, vinegar. But let's see.
I don't want to eat it. It smells good, man.
Oh,
it looks so squidgy. Oh, I see a toenail.
What the fuck?
Cheers, man.
I think it's good. Oh, spicy. It's spicy. I shouldn't. But it's spicy.
It is very spicy. I don't like it. What? Spicy.
Good, man. It's
No, it's
spicy,
not.
but it's good. The
There's
taste
a
is good.
toe. How is a toe good?
Because you ate the toe. I ate the other part.
Ugh, it's a toenail, man.
Don't eat the toenail, man.
Well, I want it. Ugh. Nope,
Okay.
nope, nope, nope,
The
nope.
tail.
I move on to the, like, what is this, the neck? Oh my gosh.
You want a
just-
challenge? You want the real challenge? Let's sip the chili.
Oh, there's a chili in there? Okay,
You want it?
let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, this just took a turn for the worst. They've got chilies in here.
I'm not kidding when I said
It's really
spicy.
spicy.
It's really spicy. It's like we ate it all at the same time. One bite. You feel scared now?
I'm scared. Now this is really a scary episode.
I was so stupid to think about this, man.
You better bring a jacket because it's gonna get rather chilly in here.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no. Why? I
no.
don't feel spicy at all.
No.
I mean, the more spiciest thing is the
Yeah.
chicken feet.
Thank God. Thank you. The chili was sweet, but the feet is spicy.
So spicy.
It's opposite day.
Okay, let's go for the final challenge of this episode. And that is... What's that?
This final one is, look at the man, he looks very sad. That's gonna be us in the future. This is like the spiciest noodles you can get in Macau. It's scary because it's gonna cause us pain.
And let's do that final challenge.
Japanese spicy noodles. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Oh!
Oh, let's sing a Halloween song.
What kind of song?
Yo, if you see a skeleton outside, you best worry about the lies. Don't talk to that skeleton, don't look him in the eyes. That skeleton might learn to fly.
Yeah.
First job, go round. Wait, dude, do
Yeah.
you want to see something scary?
Okay. Oh, fuck, man.
Mine has plastic in it.
Oh, that's so delicious, man. I wish I had my... Be serious, man.
Okay,
Here is
serious.
the final challenge, so we need to be
Super serious.
serious.
And scary.
Yeah.
Now it's no joke. We're
I
not
feel
joking.
I feel that it's so scary.
It is.
Scared. I mean, I feel scared, man.
I feel so scared. It smells like instant noodles. What could this mean?
Wow, that's scary.
I know.
Scared me.
That's delicious.
Man, it's not a challenge at all. No challenge in this episode. Ah.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it's real
Nothing's
delicious.
been scary.
It's so
This
scary.
whole episode. This is just fun. Hey, this guy here is like overreacting so much. He's overreacting, crying.
Yeah.
He's a bitch.
That's why I feel intimidated in this noodles. This one makes me scared because of this guy. But in reality, it's so delicious.
So I guess what we learned today is spook.
Scare.
What we learned today is you can't judge a book by its cover and you can't judge a skeleton by its spook. This is so tasty.
Yeah, I love it.
I
too,
love
man.
instant noodles.
Now I understand why this guy is crying.
Why?
Because it's so delicious.
That is why. You're
crying.
right. Today we embarked on a mission of spook and scares. How did you find the food that we tried today?
All those snacks, it was beautiful.
Really delicious.
Yes.
Except for the chicken feet, I didn't really like. I think this was perhaps the easiest challenge I've ever had to do. All the food was pretty tasty.
Yeah, there's no challenge at all.
I guess what we learned today is don't judge a book by its cover.
Yes.
Even if food looks scary, sometimes it's delicious. Your eyes might see it as a boo, but your tummy will see it as a ooh. Have an awesome Halloween.
Yeah, happy Halloween, everyone.
Happy Halloween!
Yeah. Let's
No
say
matter.
that together.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Happy-
Christmas! Happy Halloween,
everyone.
Boo! Really hope you have an awesome Halloween. Thank you so much for watching this spooky episode. Check Check out Rawell's page.
Rawell official. Yeah.
Check it out.
Thank you everyone for watching this show. Is this a show?
I would say it's a show.
Okay, it's a show. Spend time with your family and enjoy the day.
Absolutely. Be careful of the skeletons, but have an
out.
awesome one. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.